setting and you're waiting for those temperatures to drop, we do have 2 vendors that's already set up in the back. We have Curly Keys, which is natural hair care, and then we have Katie's Cupcakes and Cookies, which is some really yummy desserts. And I saw she had some very good flavors. Check that out. And then I'll be here for you guys. Thank you for coming.
No, your voice was so therapeutic. You was like, yeah, I'm exotic. Welcome to my event. Don't do that. You look cute. Okay, this is for my vlog anyway.
Let me see how I look.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey y'all, we are at, well, you should have let me bring the ones I had. We're at my friend's event, her first candle making class, and it's also a pop-up shop in the art gallery. Is this Katie's Cupcake?
Yes, I'm actually.
Oh, I was on your Instagram this morning. You had peach cobbler.
Yeah. So I'm the girl that did your baby shower. I did the food.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so when you guys.
Oh, she did my food for my baby shower.
When you guys were coming in,
You was right there?
Uh-huh.
I was literally on your Instagram. I was like, Mom, give me a peach cobbler.
Yeah.
But I saw this too, so I'm definitely.
Yeah, I don't know. You probably know my sister, Ned.
Ned is your sister? Journey is your niece?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is like so.
Yeah, so I
Okay,
did this.
she did. Okay, so what is this? Because it's from my YouTube.
So this is a peach cobbler.
Peach cobbler with the peach cream,
strawberry lemonade.
strawberry lemonade.
And then we just have the regular plain vanilla.
Ooh.
And then I have some pecan brownies. And
No, it's gonna be one of the two because I already had my mind made up on.
Make sure I do peach for y'all because I saw she had posted the peach.
Yeah.
I was like, let's make sure I do peach for y'all. And then I have some brownies and then my berry as well.
It's so pretty. Let me turn it around. Okay, I'll be back. I'm about to get me some wings, I think, first before I just. I'm trying to, but I don't want to be getting harassed by the parking boys. I parked over there. So yeah, we're at my friend's event. I can't really vlog that much in here because of the music, but I'm gonna at least show y'all the setup. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to introduce yourself? You want to be in my vlog? Because you are. So I'm at my friend's candle making class and I'm about to make my own candle. It's empty. Actually, I'm gonna turn off my live. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all the process of making a candle. Okay, Beethoven on the beat. We got the wax over here getting hot. We have some fragrances, some crystals. What are these? Oh, these are crystals too. You can see the name of the crystals on here.
Come pull up. The food is so good.
So she has crystals. And these are the fragrances. This is Sakari. She is the lady of the hour. She is in charge of the candle making process. Got me a little drink. She always eating, y'all. Okay, yeah, I'm about to make a candle. Oh fuck, I messed it up. Okay, I just finished making my candle. It's so cute.
First look was like some sorority, some older ladies.
No, don't cut it yet.
Really?
No, wait a little bit longer.
She said not to cut my candle yet.
No, it's because it's gonna the wax stick gonna move.
So we have to wait until, oh, my camera's not focused. I cut my wigs. It's still drying, but it's pretty much finished. And I named my hookah Mommy Hood. Oh, I called it a hookah. That's how you know I'm too thirsty. I didn't have hookah and I don't know how to act. But I named my candle Mommy Hood. You can't even see it. Let me turn it on. I named my candle Mommy Hood.